Let's take a look at other stories making headlines. An update on the death that occurred during the Linda Mwananchi tour in Kitengela during the weekend, where it has been revealed that the autopsy, or rather, let's just take that story again if we could. Well, a harrowing post-mortem report has laid bare the final agonizing moments of Vincent Oyoma, a young man killed during the Linda Mwananchi rally in Kitengela. The autopsy revealed that the bullet entered through his right eye before causing catastrophic damage to his skull and other vital organs. As the family grapples with this brutal reality, Oyoma's brother is now demanding for answers and action against the culprits.
From the results of this post-mortem examination, it is very clear that this was done with intention. Whoever did it with intent, because the magnitude of the injuries are not distant injuries. These are injuries that were occasioned because whoever shot him was next to him or not too far away from him. And we continue to ask.
Serikali mnisaidie. Na tunataka justice ya Vincent ifanyike tafadhali. Akina Babu Owina, akina Sifuna, nyinyi ndio Vincent alipigwa, kijana alikuwa ametoka kazi. Hiyo rally yenu ndio ilifanya kakufa. Hata mjaricha hao tumuuliza hata imekuaje? Hakuna. Tafadhali mtusaidie. Na venye Vincent atafika nyumbani tafadhali.
Okay. Aliniacha na mtoto 1 year and a half na sina job, niko tu hapo, ni yeye alikuwa tegemeo. Sasa itabidi ni struggle sasa juu sina otherwise. Hatuna namna ya kutoa mwili hapa kwenda home, tuko tu hivyo mikono mitupu, na hata mwenye alipiga risasi bado hatujui ni nani.
Well, that story leads us to a short